Hey everyone, so today I just want to do an unboxing with you. So let's just open it and see what's inside. This is literally how I got the box, so you have to excuse the condition. And this is my very first order from COLOURPOP, so I'm very excited. And as you can see, there's a lot of bubble wrap. Alright, much better. So basically I ordered the entire Fade Into You collection, which is basically the palette as well as these eye pencils, which you can see over here. And I'm going to be unboxing and doing some swatches with you, so that should be exciting. I also got these two items over here. So this is a concealer. I'm hoping that it's the right shade, and this one over here, which is a lip oil. They both kind of looked interesting and I wanted to try them out, hence I got them. So let's just open up the palette first and see what that looks like. So this is what it looks like. Mine is slightly dented over there, but that's okay. And if you look over here, you can see that it's got, you know, a layout. I really like the packaging design. I think it's very pretty. Gives you the idea that, you know, there are going to be lots of pastels in here, which I'm very excited about. And yeah, it just looks really pretty. This is what it looks inside, and wow, this is definitely a very beautiful palette. I think that I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. So yeah, you can expect to see a lot of looks coming from here. I think that there's so many possibilities with this. You know, I could go row by row, I could go column by column. Wow, this is going to be fantastic. So we're going to do some swatches in a little bit. Right, so the next thing is obviously the eye pencils. So the eye pencils are actually not new shades. These are just old shades that have been remarketed, you know, for the Fade Into You collection. And I'm very excited because I love eye pencils, so this is going to be fun. Next, we're going to do the concealer that I bought. So, okay, this doesn't look too bad. I think the shade looks pretty true to my skin tone. And this is the Luxe Lip Oil. So automatically, I don't know, I really love the packaging. I think it looks so cute and so feminine. So now we're going to go into the swatches, and as you can see, these are the first 4 ones that I'm doing. So you got Paradise, Atelier, Prismatic, Lovecraft. So these are the next 4 shades. Fantasyland over here, Love and Warhol, and we've got Retro Dream, Art Deco. I have to say that I'm really excited about the oranges, mainly because I don't actually have these shades. So Precious and Treasure, Abstract, and I've also got bonus points. Shine Bright, Big Smile, which looks really pretty, and Lucky Charm over here. So I don't actually like glitters, but I'm looking at COLOURPOP's glitter shades and I actually really love them. So next we're going into the greens. I've got bold type, which you can see right over there at the end. And these are the next 4 greens that we're doing. So let's just swatch those. I've got Hot over here. Then I've got Dyed Up, Pose, and Designer. So these are the next 4 shades. Iconic, Watermark, Hot Copic, and Kaleidoscope. These are the next 4 shades. So I'm going in with Take It Easel, which is a beautiful pastel blue. I really like that color. Then we've basically got Zeitgeist, Novu, Majestic, Selfie, and Express, which is a shimmer, as you can see over there. So yeah, these are the, you know, swatches for the Fade Into You palette. I really like that how some of the shades are actually matte shades, but they have a hint of glitter. Like for example, if you see that pink over there, it's actually got a bit of glitter in there. And same thing here for this blue. So I just think that's really exciting. I don't have a lot of shades like this, and I really like the glitters. So stay tuned as I do looks using these. These are the swatches from the eyeliners, and I actually am not very happy because these 3 shades were broken when I opened them. They're not even twisting up, so I'm not really happy about that. But looking at the colors itself, they're really pretty, and I think they would go really great with my looks. The last 2 things that you can see are the concealer, and the transparent shade is the Luxe Lip Oil. So yeah, that's about it for my COLOURPOP swatches, and I'm very excited to try these. Stay tuned for looks that I'll be posting. I will probably get them out in the next week or so. And until then, have a great week.